Welcome to chemistry classes. Now let us see how to identify a redox reaction. If you have a set of reactions, from that if one asks you to select a reaction which is not a redox reaction, which is not a redox reaction. So let us see a question. Following is not a redox reaction. So here four equations are given. Four equations are given. Our task is to identify a non-redox reaction. A non-redox reaction. Let us start. So here, being there is no hydrogen. Generally మనం redox reactions అంటే reduction oxidation అంటే ఎలా చెప్పుకుంటాము? Gaining of hydrogen is reduction, loss of hydrogen is oxidation. Like that, gaining of oxygen is said to be oxidation. Losing of oxygen is said to be reduction. Okay, but అది అన్ని కేసెస్ లో కూడా అది వర్కౌట్ కాదు. సో అందుకని మనం ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈస్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పర్టికులర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ ఏ రియాక్షన్, ఒక రియాక్షన్లో ఒక ఎలిమెంట్కి రియాక్టెంట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒక ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేటు, ప్రోడక్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకొక ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేటు ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఆ పర్టికులర్ రియాక్షన్ని రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్గా మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ లెట్ us see. So here, what is the oxidation state of zinc? 0. Being it is in elemental state. Being it is in elemental state, oxidation number of zinc is 0. Okay. What is the oxidation state of copper in copper sulfate? +2. +2. What is the oxidation state of zinc in zinc sulfate? +2. Okay. What is the oxidation state of copper in pure state? 0. Okay. Oxidation state of copper in pure state is 0. So like this, we have to assign oxidation numbers for the elements. Okay. Now let us see this reaction. This is solid state. This is also solid state. This is gaseous state. I forget to keep here before. So now let us see for this reaction oxidation states. What is oxidation state of calcium here? +2. What is oxidation state of calcium here? +2. What is oxidation state of carbon here? +4. What is oxidation state of carbon here? +4. Okay, these are the oxidation states of second reaction. The elements present in the second reaction. So let us see for oxygen there is no change. Here now, when you consider with the third reaction, here oxidation state of Ag+1, oxidation state of Na+1, oxidation state of Ag+1, oxidation state of Na+1. Okay. So now let us assign here also. Here oxidation state of carbon 0. Here oxidation state of oxygen 0. Here oxidation state of carbon +4. Oxidation state of oxygen -2. Okay. So after assigning oxidation states, but while we are writing the competitive examinations, we might not have this much of time, but by knowing the procedure, you can do it easily. Okay. So now see here, I have assigned oxidation numbers for all all equations. Now I have to identify, or you have to identify, where the change in oxidation states takes place before involving in the reaction and after involving in the reaction. Okay, let us see. Here, in case of the first reaction, the oxidation state of zinc changing from 0 to +2. Okay, just like that, copper oxidation state changing from +2 to 0. Okay, so this is a redox reaction. Being before involving in the reaction, oxidation state of zinc is 0, and oxidation after involving in the reaction, oxidation state of zinc is +2. So definitely it is a redox reaction. Okay, now let us see. When you consider with the second reaction, there is no change in oxidation state. Here oxidation state of calcium is +2, here also +2. Okay, like that, oxidation state of carbon is +4, here also +4. So it is not a redox reaction, being the oxidation states of all elements is same before involving in the reaction and after involving in the reaction. So it is not a redox reaction. So we have identified one reaction till now. Okay, next go for another reaction. What is the oxidation state of silver here? +1. What is the oxidation state of silver after involving in the reaction? +1. What is the oxidation state of sodium before involving in the reaction? +1. What is the oxidation state of sodium after involving in the reaction? +1. Here also there is no change in oxidation states. Are you understanding? So this is also not a redox reaction. Is it clear? So when you go for fourth reaction, what is happening? Here let us see what is happening here. So here the oxidation state of carbon is 0. After involving in the reaction, oxidation state of carbon is +4. So here change in oxidation state takes place. Okay, now what is the answer for this question? Second and third reactions are not redox reactions. Because there is no change in oxidation states. Let us see for silver. Okay, so like that one can identify the reaction whether it is redox or not. So such type of questions are also called as multi-correct answer type questions. So JEE Advanced question paper lo different types of questions ఉంటాయి. వాటిల్లో this is one of the model multi-correct answer type question. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.